Hi my peeps, what's up, wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiona in the house. Yes, please remember to leave me one little bit of like and subscribe for other amazing content. And when you see them thing up on the countertop, guys, you know, see some lasagna me I gonna make. Yes, guys, I'm gonna use a lot of cheese, a lot of ground meat, a lot of sausages. Yeah, but guys, for me, I'm telling you the honest truth, because it has so much cheese and I don't really fancy the milk. I might taste it, just taste a little, but mostly I'm just making it for the kids, okay? Mostly for my son. But if you're a lasagna lover, go dive right in. All right my peeps, let's get into this video. So here my peeps, I have some extra smoky sausages, okay? And I have a little bit over a pound of extra lean ground meat, all right, or ground beef. With my sausage, I'm just gonna take some. I'm gonna use a few of it, and I'm gonna like take off the skin off, right? Just go ahead and cut it up. Just go ahead, put it in a blender or a food processor and just kind of grind it a little bit. All right, use about, I'm gonna use half pack of it, so I'm gonna use about 4. All right my peeps, so basically just put it in the food processor. I'm gonna add a tablespoon of my blended seasoning, and I'm gonna put the ground beef. So we're gonna add a little bit of salt, about half teaspoon for now. We're gonna put all the seasoning in. We're gonna put some meat seasoning. You can season it on the stove top, but when I put this now, all the flavor gonna be so good. This is some garlic and herbs. I'm gonna put like a teaspoon. I'm gonna put my little paprika, about a tablespoon there. We're gonna put a little bit of black pepper, about a teaspoon. We're gonna puree it. So this is what we want, guys. You see it, full of flavor. All right, I'm gonna put like a teaspoon of olive oil just to grease the pan bottom. And this is the goodness here, guys. We're just gonna put it over here. You don't have to ground the beef like that, guys, but it's gonna give it a smooth texture, okay? You can just do the sausage and then you add both together. You see all this extra oil, guys? We don't want this. So right now we're gonna strain off this oil, okay? So this is what I did. I just strain it off like that, okay? The excess oil. A little bit more of the seasoning just to put back the flavor in it. All right, a little bit of paprika, a little bit of black pepper, and no more meat seasoning. That's enough. We don't want too much salt. Add some soy sauce, about 2 tablespoons, about 1/4 cup of this veggie stock. And now I'm gonna put my sauce. I put about 3/4 of that can, and this one is low in fat, and this is the cheese and basil. We're gonna go in. I add like 3/4 of this can and half can of this one. You can taste it, guys, if you want salt. Oh, so good. Nothing more. I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit of garlic powder and a little bit of onion powder. Some parsley flakes. I want to put about a tablespoon. If you like a little spice to it, go in with a little bit of cayenne pepper. Not too much, just a little bit. About 1/4 teaspoon. I'm gonna give this another, say, 15 to 20 minutes. Let it take time and simmer down. Turn your stove down. So while that is cooking, I'm just gonna shred a little bit of cheese. This is my mozzarella. All right, I'm gonna use this side because it's gonna melt anyways. You can use a smaller side if you want. You can use whatever cheese you like. All right, guys. All right, peeps. So we're gonna turn the stove off. This is all done. We're gonna let it cool down a little bit while we prepare the rest of ingredients. And now, my peeps, we're gonna make the ricotta, and we have extra fine. All right, it's best to make more than when you're ready you don't have enough. All right, so here I'm gonna pour some in this bowl here. So about 3/4 pack. Put a little bit of my cheese. So this is my mozzarella and my marble. I think it's on medium fork. I'm gonna put a handful there. I'm gonna put a little bit of my Parmesan. Just a handful. 2 to 3 tablespoons. Put 2 medium-sized eggs. If you have the large one, I think 1 large will do. And you know, guys, I have to take out the whites or the eyes out of my eggs, right? So we're gonna add our 2 eggs. You can put fresh parsley, whatever you have, but I'm gonna put some, this one, parsley flakes. And that's it, guys. You just want to go ahead and mix this together. All right, guys, can you see how creamy and nice this is? All right, it's time to party now. We're gonna add everything. Line the bottom. You don't have to put any butter or anything, so we're just gonna line the bottom first with some of this goodness. Oh, it smells so good with the sausage. All right, and once you line that, and the next thing, we're just gonna set these right on top. I'm gonna put 3, and I'm just leaving a little bit of room in the middle. Then I'm gonna put some of my ricotta. All right, so just go ahead and wipe it on. All right, something like so. I'm gonna go in with some more, and you want to repeat the process. All right, guys. Oh boy. Just keep repeating the process, guys. I think I'm gonna do 1 more row after this one. I'm gonna do it like that so I can cover the edge. Turn this one over. All right, so I'm gonna set this piece like something like that. Something like that. Because my pan, guys, it's not like square on the bottom, it's kind of round. So the bottom is okay, but when you keep building it up, it gets wider. I'm gonna add some more of this. I think that's it, guys. This is a lot. I'm just gonna finish the cheese here. Put all the cheese so I finish the entire thing. We're just gonna put it on top. Guys, I should have leave a little work for the top, but that's okay. We're just gonna make it work right because we have a lot down in the bottom already. All right, guys, it's done. So anyhow, just kind of spread it out, you know. Gotta make do with what we have here. So we're gonna put cheese on it, so it's gonna cover it good. I make sure everything is covered so the top can be cooked properly, right? The Parmesan. Oh yeah, I'm not gonna overdo it now, guys, but you can go crazy if you'd like. Leftovers of my mozzarella. I'm gonna mix both together, and we're gonna sprinkle the top. My mozzarella and my regular cheddar. Don't play with it, guys. Just let it loose. And I'm gonna put a little bit of olive oil on the inside of the foil paper, the part that's gonna touch in. We're gonna cover it. Bake this at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. You're gonna bake it for roughly about 40 to 45 minutes. All right, and if you like it really have a little bit of crunch to it, in the last say 7 to 10 minutes, just take off it and put it back in there. Okay, can you hear that, guys? So this is it, guys. Yes, all right, and you want to let it be cooled, not totally cool, but cool down so it firm up and you can cut into it. I can't wait any more longer. It's been cooling for about say 15 to 20 minutes, and I'm gonna let my son just taste it. We're gonna cut a big piece. Where's Amir? Oh boy. All right, guys, we're going in. Ooh, I get a big cut out of it, guys. Ooh, yeah. Oh my. And this is my homemade lasagna for you. Really yummy. I'm gonna have my son to taste it for you, and you can serve it up with whatever bread or whatever salad you want. All right, my peeps, and that's it. Bye, guys.
Yo, this looks good though.
Lots of flavor. You tell me what it tastes like. Is it restaurant quality? It's good with the bread.
Why am I still eating?
All right, one more bite. So tell them what you think. It's good with it?